unpack all accessories from the box according to your configuration. A complete set of ASTM R2 to R7 spindle can be delivered with the device. Mount the stand to install the viscometer. Present the rod with the arm on the lower plate. Fix the rod with provided screw. Move down the rack stand. Take the measuring head and install it on the arm. Lock the measuring head with the screw. Plug the power supply on rear panel of the device. Switch on the B1 Plus. Zero the device. You should make it at least once by day. You can now set your measure. Choose the spindle, the speed and the duration. Take beaker with the sample and place it below the device. Take the spindle and tilt it obliquely to avoid air bubbles. Connect the spindle and easy bayonet coupling. Reach the perfect position by using the mark on the spindle's shaft. Start your measurement. While measuring, the device shows you all informations as viscosity, torque, speed, spindle or duration. A gauge allows you to see if the torque is not too close to lowest or highest limit of the device. After the test, you can save all data in the device's memory to be read or exported later. As you can see, measurement with B1 Plus is so easy.